जैसे कि जो फैंस हैं वो रोसिडियंस हैं, अभिमानियंस हैं, और हमने भी हमेशा ये कहा है कि हम भी रोसिडियंस हैं तो रोसिडियंस होने के नाते हमें अच्छी तरह पता है कि ये रोसिड का बहुत स्पेशल दिन है. क्या स्पेशल दिन है, थोड़ा याद कर लो प्लीज़, बता दो.
ऑनेस्टली 8th of December मुझे नहीं मालूम था. इस दिन का कोई सिग्निफिकेंस मेरे लाइफ में नहीं था, लेकिन सडनली बिकॉज इट इज़ स्पेशल फॉर रोसिडेंस, that's probably the reason I think this has become one of the most important days of my life. I don't care, कि क्या हुआ था इस दिन, पता नहीं क्या हुआ था. I don't remember dates in my life. I don't remember birthdays. But this will always be very, very special because you guys have gone out of your way to celebrate this day and make it so special. हम लोग आजकल honestly ट्विटर पे आने का टाइम नहीं मिल पाता, लेकिन every day there are like hundreds of tweets which goes on about the roasted wedding. You guys make it special, and I think 8th of December goes down in the history of roasted right now. Today you can't expect any fun segment from us because you guys have made us very, very emotional, because I think the amount of love you guys give us, the amount of things you do for us, for roasted, honestly we haven't been able to give back as much. We have had very limited scenes. We have done our best, but I think we can do better. We can do much, much, much more than this, and we shall try and do so by paying you back for such a wonderful gesture.
Thank you so much. आप बड़े हो, आप पढ़ो.
First of all,
Yeah, the thing.
we love the watermark. So basically this shows what kind of passion which goes into this. It's not simply a letter. There's so much of hard work which goes into it. Okay. Dear Manisha Navika, into bracket, Abhiman. Rory and Siddhan, that makes it into bracket, Rosid. First of all, we would like to wish Rosid a very happy 3rd anniversary. We would like to wish you the same because you guys deserve it more than what we do. We have sent all these gifts to make Rosid's 3rd anniversary special and memorable, and it's obviously a dream come true for us. We are glad to introduce ourselves as Radical Rosidians, a group of crazy Rosid fans from all over the world who are thoroughly obsessed with Rosid. We as Rosid are also obsessed. We as Abhiman are also obsessed with Rosid equally, and we are obsessed with you guys. That's the reason every Instagram post or every Twitter post has got Rosidians on it. So you guys rock.
Really?
Okay. We are spread from Australia to Canada in various time zones. Still we make our time
To meet each other.
to meet each other under the platform India Forums to appreciate, discuss, admire and express our love towards Rosid. India Forums, I have always loved you. Never loved you more than this before this. We are active 24/7 in spite of being in school, college, work or traveling, and we hardly be able to log out from roasted discussions till we end up closing our eyes around midnight.
So cute.
We express our love in discussion, thread making hundreds of pages within no time. Now you know why I said we don't do as much as you do. So I hope we match up to your standards and we do something back for you. We express our love, making more than 50 VMs, more than 25 fan fiction stories. Okay, this we don't know about. Fan fiction stories, this is something new. I think we really need to log on to India Forums and read all this.
Yeah.
As crazy Rosidans, we always look forward to roasted scenes. We miss our cute and lovable scenes and look back at them and relive those special roasted moments. Getting a roasted every scene, even 2 minutes in is the best treat for us, while which we rush to see SSK at 7:30. Trust me, I think that's the story with both of us too. Every day we come and act. We act with a lot of passion, but we live for that one scene which comes once in a year, once in a month, once whenever. And we go in the room, we rehearse, we come on the set, we rehearse, we go mad behind the scene because we don't want one little inch to miss to give to our Rosidians, the Radical Rosidians. Okay. We would like to thank you for portraying such a beautiful couple, Roasted. You guys are seriously amazing. You make every Roasted moment special as you give it life. I think you guys are the soul of it. You have won the hearts of many of us, and that's why we really are captivated with you. Not only as Roasted, but you both also rock as Abhiman. Yay! Yay! ये रोसेट का स्टाइल था वैसे, by the way. हम लोग अभिमान ने चुरा लिया. Okay, sorry, you're stealing your roasted thing. Okay, getting segments from you make our day bright, and we look forward to more short films from you.
Pakka promise.
Pakka promise. We pledge to make something really nice very soon for you. We're looking for a very nice romantic story. We are not able to figure out, we're not really getting time to pen it down, but inshallah very soon we get the time and we will write it and we shall present to you. And it will not go to any festival, it will be released straight for you. We request to accept a small gifts which is token of our love towards Roasted, and we wish you cut the cake in Roasted style for us. That shall be done.
Okay, first, congratulations. La na 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 na
na na na na na na na na na na na na na na na na na na. Woohoo! Hey, this is so beautiful. Na 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 na. May God bless you. Not that it's a happy birthday, but still.
We don't have to stop.
Yeah, you continue. You know what? Love you guys.
We want to blow this.
We're not blowing it. And the cake, I don't have the heart to cut it because it is such a cute cake. We will not blow it because it's so beautiful and it's going on so beautifully. So we don't blow it, right?
Dude, we can still make a wish.
We can make a wish. We can make a wish.
Let's make a wish.
And the wish is?
Roasted scenes.
We wish for a lot of roasted scenes. We wish to give you a lot more magic.
Magic.
We wish to entertain you forever. And
Forever.
Yeah, and we wish to pay you back for all that you've done for us, all the love you showered for us for all these 3 years, all the polls we have won, all because of your madness. Because, like you said, you guys are always awake, and that's the reason we will win all the polls. And then we have all the VMs and all the creations.
And also the story, the fictional story.
Stories we are going to go through now,
Yes,
because
yes,
that
yes,
I'm
we
not
will.
sure. I will just check, and thank you for everything, and we shall hope that we get roasted scenes. We are in SSK. We have a purpose and we shall fulfill it.
Thank you.
Alright, let's cut the cake. If you have the heart to cut it, you cut it.
You wanted it a roasted style, right?
Yes.
We don't need this. Now this is a roasted.
Roasted style.
1 second. Close. 1, 2, 3.
We can't cut this. This is made by you guys. I don't know what we're gonna do with that, but still, I think more than cutting, it goes this way. Okay. Here we go. On behalf of all of you, I give this to your Rolly.
No. On behalf of all of you, I give this to you. Sit down. Yay!
Yay! Love you all forever and always. And a fist bump.
Yay!
Sorry, we're not cutting the cake. There's a
But
lot of
it's
love,
so
but we're eating it. It's too tasty to be left. Amazing.
Hi, I'm Avika Gaur. Keep watching India Forums and also do subscribe to WhatsApp TV.